These are Nice Solar's folding 200 watt solar panels. And right now they're each producing about 100 watts. We got a hazy overcast sky, but they're producing almost exactly the same amount of power that the 200 watt solar panel is on the roof of my camper. Setting up the panel is super easy. Just take it out of the case, unstrap the Velcro, and lay it out. I don't like using this. It's too flimsy. So I made these guys out of Coroplast, and they just Velcro together. They're just supports to keep the grass from getting killed with the panel being directly in contact with it. They just go down like that, and then a half open, lift up a little bit, and just set it down. The panels come with this nice carrying case that has two separate compartments, one for the panel and then one for any accessories you might want to carry with it. The panels are made out of a composite material. There's no fabric involved here. They're really tough, they're very strong, and they're also resistant to the effects of ultraviolet. So they should last a long time out in the sun. They have a power connection that I haven't seen before on a solar panel. What's neat about it is that you can plug your laptop or your phone directly into the panel. You don't need to have a battery. Of course, if you do have a battery, this DC plug is just solar connection. I bought some short bungee cords that allow me to hang the panel from the rail of my truck. I bought these to replace a Renogy solar suitcase. It was 200 watts. It produced about 120 on a good day, but it took up a lot of room in the back of my truck. These Nice solar panels are tiny and really easy to pack. Last time I checked, these panels are sold out in the United States. I'll put some links to similar products down in the comments. Thank you for watching.